As we continue to get started with our motorbike, we want to introduce the parking feature that comes standard on all models. So in this video, we're going to learn how to park. For parking the motorbike, we have utilized the ability of the electric motor to move in reverse. Parking mode moves slowly in both forward and reverse. To enter parking mode, with the throttle activated, press and hold the engine start button for 2 seconds. The dash will then display that the vehicle is now in reverse. With another quick press of the engine start button, the vehicle will enter the parking feature known as forward slow. You can toggle between forward slow and reverse with a quick press of the engine start button. Once you've finished your parking maneuver, press and hold the engine start button for 2 seconds, returning the bike into full drive mode.